Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students of class 9th. This is the video lecture of your chemistry subject from chapter number 3, that is periodic table and periodicity of properties. And now today our topic is shielding effect, which is on page number 82 of your book. So first of all, we all have to know what is shielding effect. We can say that shielding effect is that effect in which inner electrons shield the outer electron from the nuclear force of attraction, and this effect is called shielding effect. Okay, I am going to repeat it again. Shielding effect is that effect in which inner electrons, ठीक है, इनर इलेक्ट्रॉन्स मीन अंदर वाले इलेक्ट्रॉन्स जो होते हैं वो बाहर वाले इलेक्ट्रॉन्स कौन से होते हैं, वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन जो कि आउटर मोस्ट शेल में प्रेजेंट होते हैं, उनके लिए क्या करते हैं कि जो न्यूक्लियस की फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन होती है, एज वी नो डैट पॉजिटिव एंड नेगेटिव चार्जेस ऑलवेज अट्रैक्ट ईच अदर, तो इनर इलेक्ट्रॉन्स जो होते हैं उस अट्रैक्शन को आउटर वाले इलेक्ट्रॉन्स के लिए कम कर देते हैं, रिड्यूस कर देते हैं, और इसी इफेक्ट को हम क्या कहते हैं, शील्डिंग इफेक्ट कहते हैं. शील्डिंग इफेक्ट इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड स्क्रीनिंग इफेक्ट, राइट. ओके, now the question is that how the shielding effect affect the electronic structure, atomic radius, electron affinities and ionization energies, as we discussed these periodicity of properties in previous lectures. So now, as we know that electrons are distributed in different shells and they are revolving around the nucleus in a fixed circular path, and that path are called shells. The electrons in the valence shell spend most of the time away from the nucleus, यानी कि जो इलेक्ट्रॉन वैलेंस शेल में प्रेजेंट होते हैं वो ज़्यादातर न्यूक्लियस से दूर रहते हैं. इसी वजह से न्यूक्लियस की जो फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन होती है वो उन इलेक्ट्रॉन्स तक कम पहुंचती है, and these electrons do not feel the full effect of positive charges. Positive charge किस में होता है, positive charge of the nucleus. As we know that nucleus is a positive charge because in a nucleus proton are present, so proton are positive charges. That is why shielding effect the attraction force of attraction between the nucleus and the valence electron. As the number of shell increase, there will be more protection of electron from the attraction of the nucleus. In this way, shielding affect the atomic radius, ionization energies and electron affinity. We discussed this in our trends in detail. We have two trends in a periodic table, that is in a group and in a period. First of all, in a group shielding effect increase, ठीक है. ग्रुप में शील्डिंग इफेक्ट जो है वो इंक्रीज हो रहे हैं. ग्रुप में शील्डिंग इफेक्ट क्यों इंक्रीज होते हैं, बिकॉज ऑफ द एडिशन ऑफ न्यू इलेक्ट्रॉन्स, ठीक है. इसको हम डिस्कस करते हैं विद द हेल्प ऑफ डायग्राम. This is the group 1A element, because when we go from top to bottom we call it groups, and when we go from left to right in a periodic table we call it period. So you can see here in a group shielding effects are increasing. शील्डिंग इफेक्ट आर इंक्रीज. कैसे शील्डिंग इफेक्ट इंक्रीज हो रहे हैं, एटॉमिक नंबर इंक्रीज होता जा रहा है, ठीक है. एज एटॉमिक नंबर आर इंक्रीज, नंबर ऑफ शेल्स आर आल्सो इंक्रीज. एज द नंबर ऑफ शेल्स आर इंक्रीजिंग, the size of atom is also increasing. You can see here this is the first element of group 1A, that is hydrogen. In hydrogen only one electron is present, so its atomic radius is less as compared to lithium. This is the element lithium having atomic number 3. In lithium, 3 electrons are present, so one more shell is added, because in the first shell 2 electrons can accommodate, so remaining 1 electrons can accommodate in the second shell, that is in a L shell. So the atomic radius of lithium is more as compared to hydrogen. When we go down, we can see here the third one is sodium, Na. The atomic number of sodium is 11. So in the first shell, 2 electrons are present. In the second shell, 8 electrons are present. And in the last shell, only 1 electron is present. As we know that group number indicate the number of valence electrons. So all the elements belonging to group 1A containing only 1 electrons. So as we move down, the number of shell are increasing because of increase in atomic number. As atomic number is increased, number of shell increase. When number of shell increase, the radius is increased. You can see here the radius of atom, atomic radius of atom is increasing. Atomic radius is the distance between the nucleus and the valence shell. So when shell are added, distance between the nucleus and the valence shell is also increased, right? Okay, now these inner electron, these are the inner electron that are present in the inner orbitals. These inner electron protect this outer electron. This is the outer electron, right? This is the outer electron. Now this electron, these inner electron protect this outer electron from the nucleus force of attraction. And because of this reason, ionization energies are decreasing in a group. Ionization energy is that energy in which we require minimum amount of energy to release the valence electron. The minimum energy required to remove the valence electron from the outermost shell. So when atomic radius increase, because of addition of electron, shielding effect increase, and when shielding effect increase, ionization energies are decreased and electron affinities are also decreased in a group, because we required less amount of energy to remove this valence electron from the outermost shell, because there is decrease in the force of attraction and because of these inner electrons, right? Okay, when we move down in a group, you can see here the number of valence electrons are increasing. This is the element potassium and it contains 4 shells, K, L, M and N. As this is the period number 1, this is the period number 2, period number 3 and period number 4 and period number 5. As we know that period number indicate the number of shells in an atoms. So this is the element belonging to period number 4, so that's why it contains 4 shells. So in this way, shielding effect is increasing in a group. Okay, I repeat it again. When shielding effect increase, electron affinity, ionization energies decrease. ठीक है, शील्डिंग इफेक्ट ग्रुप में इंक्रीज होते हैं. किस वजह से इंक्रीज हो रहे हैं? क्योंकि हमारे पास एटॉमिक नंबर ज़्यादा हो रहे हैं. तो इलेक्ट्रॉन्स को हमने क्या करना है, एकोमोडेट करना होता है शेल्स में. तो उनको स्पेस देने के लिए, उनको एकोमोडेट करने के लिए हम क्या करते हैं, न्यू शेल्स की एडिशन करते हैं. जब हम न्यू शेल्स की एडिशन करते हैं तो एटॉमिक रेडियस मीन न्यूक्लियस में और वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन में जो डिस्टेंस है वो ज़्यादा हो जाता है. ठीक है, देखिए ये न्यूक्लियस और वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन का डिस्टेंस क्या है, इंक्रीज होता जा रहा है. When distance is increased, there is when distance is increased, there is a decrease in a nuclear force of attraction to the valence electron. इसी वजह से हम क्या अगर हमें इस इलेक्ट्रॉन को रिमूव करना है, ये कौन सा इलेक्ट्रॉन है, आउटर इलेक्ट्रॉन. इसी वजह से जब हम आउटर इलेक्ट्रॉन को रिमूव करते हैं तो हमें कम एनर्जी चाहिए होती है. ठीक है, और अगर ये इलेक्ट्रॉन हम